What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you this massage table that I recently inquired. It is fantastic. It comes with a bag, a travel bag that is an actual backpack as well, but it also has the shoulder strap as well that you can connect to the bag if you don't want to put it on as a backpack. Makes it easy and convenient for traveling, and it comes up wrapped pretty nicely. You just pull it out, pull the plastic bag right off of it, and there you go. So you flip it around and it'll have two latches that you have to unlatch. So then you just unlatch them, push it up, and then it pulls right open. Once it gets to this point, it's no problem. It's like a standard fold out table. You'll pull the legs out without the cables wrapped around the legs. Once you pull it all the way out, there's a center bar that you got to make sure is pushed all the way down. Once it does that, it's locked in position, so that way it's sturdy. And then you'll go ahead and do that on the other side. And once you get that on the other side, you should be good to go. And then you'll take it and flip it over. And once you flip it over, it'll be ready to use and sturdy and good to go. It's really plush and really comfortable. I like this thing a lot. It comes with this headpiece right here. It's removable, so you can actually put someone's face inside there, so they're not, bending their neck, focusing on that, and it's more comfortable for them. Alongside of that, there are this head extension that goes at the end of the table. You can actually put it on either end. So once you get it out, it unfolds. It has a little lever on the side that locks it in position. So as you put it away, it can be foldable and take up less room. But once you fold it out, you lock it in. It has these Velcro on the bottom of it, and there's a cushion that you'll put on top. And once you get that on there, you just stick it into the holes at the end of the table, and you should be good to go. It also comes with this fabric head cover. This thing is great, so you can put it over the head cover so people can lay their head on there, and it's washable. So if you want to switch between customers instead of wiping it down, you can use this as well. Other than that, it has these two arm extensions. So if someone's laying and they're a little bit on the bigger side, their arms don't have to fall off. These have three little poles that stick out, and there's 3 holes on the side of the table. Sticks right in, and you're good to go. So it does it on both sides. And once you do that, you can just fold them back and you'll be able to put them away. Simple and easy to store, that's for sure. I love this table. I definitely recommend it for anybody that are inspiring masseuse, and yeah, check it out.